Operating systems. In this section, we will be discussing the operating systems available in the market. There are two main types, which are Linux and Android TV, currently available in Vestel Electronics. Non-smart TVs. It is a TV without internet connection. MB140 and MB140 TV chassis supports them. In these TVs, content must be provided via the tuner, HDMI, and/or USB, the common TV connector. Our non-smart TVs run on Linux platform, which is a common practice in the market. Common TV connectors. Let's start with HDMI. HDMI, used as an abbreviation for High Definition Multimedia Interface. HDMI is wired connection format used to deliver the highest quality image and/or sound in today's televisions. Different and additional features may be available with different versions. Version 1.4 supports the Full HD, version 2.0 supports the 4K Ultra HD, version 2.1 supports additional features such as ALM or VRR. CEC and ARC. Let's start with ARC. ARC is a normal HDMI input provides a picture and sound reception when inputting sources to the TV. In ARC, abbreviated as Audio Return Channel, is used to output sound from the television to external audio devices. However, ARC allows the sound from the television to be transferred to external devices, often used for connections to products such as soundbars and speakers. eARC enables the data transfer even further and enables to get Dolby Atmos and DTS:X supported audio output.
Vestel QLED TV'ler rengini fazlasıyla belli eder. Quantum Dot teknolojisinin doğadan aldığı ilhamla 1 milyardan fazla rengi görün. Etkileyici görüntü netliğiyle her şeyi hissedin. JBL ses sistemiyle sesleri ayrıntısıyla duyun ve keyifli bir deneyime hazır olun. İçi dışı şık Vestel QLED TV ile bambaşka bir televizyon izleme deneyimi Vestel'le olur. Neden olmasın?
CEC. CEC, short for Consumer Electronics Control, is the name given the technology that enables compatible devices to be managed with a television remote. For example, the management of the content played on a DVD player connected to HDMI can be done from the TV remote. It is important to note that both CEC and ARC capabilities may vary with each independent product.
Doğadan aldığı ilhamla 1 milyardan fazla rengi görün. Etkileyici görüntü net.
USB. USB, an abbreviation for Universal Serial Bus, enables media, video, audio, and other content to be played on television as an external memory. There are different versions of USBs as well as HDMI, and the speed of information transfer over these versions varies. USB cloning. USB cloning is a cloning method that enables a user to get predetermined settings quickly applied to the TV. These features include, but are not limited to, customized channel listing upload, parental settings, volume limitation settings, amongst others. Lastly, PVR. PVR technology, an abbreviation for Personal Video Recorder, is a name given to technology that allows only the digital broadcast coming from the tuner and allowed to be recorded to the external memory. Content can be recorded by setting the content watched according to the scenario, content in the background while the TV is on, or the time setting when the TV is off. Connected TVs. There are two ways to connect smart TVs to the internet, one of which is Ethernet and the other one is Wi-Fi. The first one is the Ethernet output, and the internet is provided by providing a wired connection between the modem and the TV. Secondly, there is the wireless internet connection, and this can be provided via Wi-Fi module. As a rule of thumb, it would be fair to say that wired internet connection provides a faster and more reliable connection. Bluetooth. Among the protocols used to connect external devices wirelessly, the most widely used technology is Bluetooth technology. Thanks to this technology, TVs can be equipped with headphones, keyboards, speakers, soundbars, joysticks, etc. It can be used on the TV by connecting an external products. In addition to these, this protocol is used to give the voice commands to the TV via remote control and also use it as an air mouse. Compatibility might vary with different devices. Screen mirroring. Currently, there are two alternatives to share alternative screen devices to TVs. These are, number one is wireless display. It is a name given the technology that provides an image and sound transfer to the television via an external compatible phone, tablet, laptop, etc. The TV as a receiving source via a Wi-Fi module. It is important to note that TV does not need an internet connection to use this technology. Chromecast built-in. Chromecast built-in, which is used as an Android TV solution for screen broadcasting, is the name given to the technology that can broadcast video and audio to television over Chromecast-based applications. With the applications specific to the Chrome browser and compatible applications on computers, image and sound can be transferred on televisions from an external device. In order to use this feature, external device and the TV must be connected to the same internet network. Linux Smart TV. These are our TVs with internet connection. This connection can be provided via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. One of the most important advantages is to use the TV-specific applications. These applications can be accessed in two different ways. The first one is the pre-installed apps. Some applications, like Netflix, YouTube, etc., that are commonly used are offered pre-installed on our TVs. The second one is the App Store market. Users are also able to use the other apps that are offered in the App Store market. App availability and placement may vary with new agreements. Personalization. Some of our remote controls have a star button. The purpose of this key is to enable the consumer to access that key quickly by assigning an application that he or she uses a lot. It is also important to note that Linux Smart TV platforms has different UI layouts available. These are designed to distinguish our brands from one another. Our current planned chassis that run Linux Smart platforms are MB130, MB211S, MB181s, MB180s, and MB230s. Android Smart TVs. As Vestel, we implement the Android TV solution within the framework of our cooperation with Google. One of the most important features of Android TV is that more than 400,000 TV applications and games can be accessed throughout the Google Play Store. In short, there are basically two different programs, Reference Plus and Reference. Reference Plus is Google's entry-level solution. In this solution, the framework and structure determined by Google. Menu structure, setup steps, UI, UX, etc. Chromecast built-in. Chromecast built-in, which is used as an Android TV solution for TV broadcasting, is the name given to the technology that can broadcast video and audio television over Chromecast-based applications. With the options specific to Chrome browser and compatible applications on computers, image and sound can be transferred to the television from an external device. In order to use this feature, external device and TV must be connected to the same internet network. There is also Google Duo, which is the Google's solution for video conferencing. And lastly, we have Google Home. You can set up, manage, and control your Google Home, Google Nest, and Chromecast devices, as well as thousands of connected home products such as lamps, cameras, thermostats from the Google Home app.